Hello everyone, my name is Shivraj from batch B9 and my seminar topic is Patient Monitoring System to Remote Doctors using GSM and Zigbee technology. I prepared this seminar under the guidance of Ms. Sunita S., Assistant Professor, Department of CSE RYMC. Here are the contents of my seminar topic. Firstly, let me explain the introduction part. In case of emergency and dangerous situations, we have to alert the doctor immediately. For this, we are using Zigbee based network for doctor to patient communication in the hospital, even to communicate and indicate the status of the patient through SMS. This way of communication is actually done with the Zigbee network topology and with the GSM network. Each patient will be given this module, and with the help of this module, the patient health condition is monitored. If there is any change in the condition of the health, then it is immediately sent that changed data through Zigbee to the local system. The main module is connected to the computer to maintain the status of the patient. And so here we have objectives of our project. The main processes involved in this type of control system are to monitor the patient health status. Zigbee is a wireless connection network that is used to connect different devices at a frequency of 2.4 GHz. For medical applications also, Zigbee is widely used. The Zigbee can communicate with the devices of about 1 kilometer. The other network is GSM network. This can be operated from any distance to any point of control. The communication is done with the help of local network support. This can get communicated to any part of the world with the network of the local system is applicable. Area of the project. The main two areas of my project are one is Zigbee technology and one is GSM, Global SAN System for Mobile Communications. Then, what is Zigbee? Zigbee is an open global standard for wireless technology designed to use low power digital radio signals for personal area networks. The Global System for Mobile Communications is a standard developed by the European Telecommunication Standard Institute to describe the protocols for second generation, that is 2G, digital cellular networks used by the mobile devices such as mobile phones and tablets, etc. And the methodology of my seminar topic is, in one part of the system there will be a patient monitoring subsystem including a multiple sensors and sensor modules, a processor transceiver in communication with the plurality of sensors and sensor modules, a first clinical display subsystem including a microcontroller and GSM modem. The microcontroller here and the GSM modem of the first clinical display subsystem broadcast. Here we are tracking the input parameters as heartbeat. This is sensed by front-end electronic circuit, and then the heartbeat is calculated with real-time clock. If the heartbeat is greater than the predefined level, the information is sent to the concerned person, or whether it may be a physician or doctor, with required details. And here is the block diagram of our system. Here we have microcontroller with the LCD display, and the power supply we are passing voltmeter to the microcontroller to operate it, and we have a GSM module, that is Global System for Mobile Communication, and we have a mobile connected to it. The Zigbee transceiver present at the patient monitoring system receives the entire details and the patient's health status in the Zigbee transceiver through the GSM module. The temperature sensor and heartbeat sensor connected to the microcontroller monitors the temperature and the heartbeat of the patient simultaneously. All these data are present and stored at the Zigbee transceiver from the GSM module. This data is transmitted to the Zigbee transceiver node present at the doctor's monitoring terminal. The doctor here receives the data from the Zigbee transceiver through his PC, that is personal computer. Then what are the benefits to the organization? Zigbee technology enables doctor to monitor the patient's conditions even sitting in his room or any part of the world. Doctors will get call when the patient's body temperature and heartbeat rises so that he can take precautionary measures even though he will be in remote place. Patient caretakers can monitor the equipment easily. Then the future scope of my seminar topic is monitoring patients' conditions can be done by using biomedical telemetry method, where there is a mobile communication between microcontrollers. Here we are speaking about microcontrollers, that is between one or more microcontroller. The biomedical telemetry system consists of temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, pressure sensor, so on, and the analog to digital converter, microcontroller, data cables, that is mobile phone and liquid crystal displays, etc. The sensed output, the whatever all the devices are operated, those will sense the input, and the sensed output is given to the analog to digital converter, where the analog signal is converted to the digital signal. This digital output is given to the microcontroller. The microcontroller here delivers the signal for mobile phone through data cable. Then the signal is transmitted to other mobile through GSM network. The receiver at the GSM network at the mobile receives the signal and it is given for a PC. Conclusion. I presented the design and implementation of a remote patient monitoring system based on wireless technology using a cellular phone to send an SMS, that is short message service, to the medical staff. The proposed system combines two commonly used technologies, namely Global System for Mobile Communication and Zigbee technology. The system monitors patient health status such as ECG, that is electrocardiography, heart rate, and temperature. In case the value for any of these parameters exceeds present critical values, the position parameters from the attached GPS module are transmitted to predefined phone number in the form of SMS using a GSM module. All the information obtained from the human body from sensors and EGC filter circuit is then transmitted to the microcontroller system as digital values. The values obtained from ECG, heart rate and temperature is also displayed onto the attached LCD in alphanumerical form to the doctor or physician. Here are the references through which I have gone to prepare my seminar topic. Thank you.